Welcome to the Non-Delivery Report panel. Here, you can track and manage all non-delivery cases. If you have Delivery Boost enabled, you'll see value realization cards showing extra revenue, RTO cost saved, total value added, buyer responses, and shipments delivered. At the top, you'll notice the structured tabs: Delivered, RTO, and Unsuccessful deliveries. In the Delivered tab, you can view all shipments successfully delivered to buyers along with their completion details. In the RTO tab, you can track shipments that were returned to origin and review the associated costs. In the Unsuccessful Deliveries tab, you can see shipments where the delivery attempt failed and attention is required. Inside the tab, you'll see detailed data for each shipment, including order details, customer details with RTO risk, delivery address, last action taken, and the next action required. In Unsuccessful Deliveries, you can filter shipments by days since last failed attempt, updated instructions, courier partner, ticket created, or SKU. But the most important is the Take Action filter, which highlights shipments needing your immediate response. Now, each shipment appears as a data card with key information such as delivery attempt details, order details, customer details with RTO risk, delivery address, last action taken, and the required next action. Click on the View Details button to open the complete NDR information for that shipment. Here you can see delivery attempt history, customer communication, and all previous actions taken. If Delivery Boost is active, you'll also see touch points with the buyer through WhatsApp or IVR calls. At the top of this page, you'll find 3 buttons: Mark RTO, Call Buyer, and Act on Shipment. Click Mark RTO to tell us that the shipment needs to be returned to you. Click Call Buyer to instantly arrange a bridge call with the customer. Click Act on Shipment to resolve delivery issues directly. Under the Act on Shipment, you can update delivery details, provide proof of buyer intent, or report a shipment issue. Update delivery details to edit the buyer's address or phone number, schedule a reattempt, and optionally attach proof for priority. Provide proof of buyer intent by recording your conversation and uploading proof to ensure successful reattempts. Report a shipment issue by selecting the issue type, uploading mandatory proof, adding remarks, and verifying alternate contact details or reattempt dates. With these tools, you can understand non-deliveries better, act quickly, and improve your delivery success rate.